Okay, part twoers. Here we are in the middle of a development. How rude to stop. Alright, so what I'm going to do is simplify this, and I would like there to be a 1 right here, wouldn't you? Come on, admit it. So I'm going to divide this by itself. Anything divided by itself is a big fat 1. Hey, wait a minute, this is math class. You just can't come in and divide a cosine A, cosine B just because you feel like it. So, to keep everything under mathematical order, we're going to have to divide every term by the same expression. If you didn't leave enough room to do that, smush. I knew it was coming and didn't leave enough room. Alright, so I'm dividing every term by cosine A, cosine B. So what is left? Well, I know this spot right here is going to be filled with a 1 because I designed it so. And why did I choose to divide each of these by cosine A, cosine B? Because it works out beautifully. So it's mathematically sound, and it simplifies nicely. In this term, notice the cosine b's are held together by multiplication, so we can notice that cosine b over cosine b is 1 fat 1, and so I create a 1 out of that, and I don't choose to write the 1 ever again. But what is sine A over cosine A? Well, looking back here at the thoughts of great ones, we see that that is the same. Sine A over cosine A is tan A. Alright, so I told you this was going to simplify nicely. Now I'm up to this plus sign, and what will this do? Cosine A over cosine A is a big fat 1. I will not choose to write it again. But what's sine B over cosine B? Looking at great thoughts of great ones. Again, we note that that is tangent B. And I already took care of the 1 minus right there. Now nothing seems to simplify here. There's no other sine A, there's no other sine B, there's no other cosine A, no other cosine B. So I'm kind of stuck with this, but I can group them because sine A over cosine A is tangent A, and sine B over cosine B is tangent B. So what I have developed for you is the tangent of a sum. That was I do. Let me move this. That was I do. So now we're going to play you do. Alright, I want you to take this same development and parallel it and find out what the tangent of A minus B is. So I did the tangent of a sum, and I got this. Now I want you to do the tangent of a difference. So that will be part of our comp book check tomorrow. And if you follow the developments, very similar to this, the way of thinking, if you come up with the correct answer, then you will impress me greatly, and you will be allowed to add it to the back of your comp book. You can add this now. All right. Have fun with your you do and the rest of the night. I will see you in the morning. Till we meet again. Goodbye.